How to fix a MacBook keyboard keys not working. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing such problem. The first thing you want to try to do is restart your Mac, because a simple restart can also fix temporary glitches. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and check for any Mac OS update, because outdated Mac OS can also cause keyboard issues. You can always check your keyboard settings. Just go to System Settings and Keyboard and check settings like key repeat and delete. If not, you can also simply go ahead and try to reset your SMC or NVRAM or PRAM on Intel Macs. You want to simply inspect the keyboard for visible damage, dirt, or stuck keys and clean gently with compressed air. Also check for liquid damage. If there was a spill, turn off your Mac and let it dry completely before turning it on. If nothing works, try an external keyboard to check if the issue is with the built-in keyboard. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.